Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be sharing a video with you guys on how to make pica candies. It's basically, well, it's actually a recreation of the pica candies. I don't know if you guys have heard of it on Instagram. They're super famous. I actually want to order them, but I want to try to make them myself. And then when I buy them, I'm gonna go ahead and like see the difference. If they're actually worth it or are mine better. Mine are probably better. So, well, in today's video, I am going to use gummy bears. It doesn't necessarily have to be this brand, but I got this brand. I got some Skittles. I got some chamoy. You can buy this at any grocery store. And there's different brands. I just got this one because this is the one I had at home. You're gonna need some tajin. This one is optional. That's just in case if you want to make it more spicier. You can get that one too. Also, you're gonna need Baby Lucas Sabor Mango. And you need some powdered sugar. You don't need all of this, but some of this. Okay? Those of you who don't know what are pica candies, it's basically like dulce enchilado. Everybody like is craving those. They're like the big hype in social media, so we're gonna go ahead and try it. Okay guys, so let's start off with you're gonna need 5 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this to mix. And I'm gonna need some scissors. So oh no. I'll be back, guys.
5 minutes later.
I'm back. So I literally threw all the damn powder everywhere. Okay, so back to what I was saying. We're gonna need 5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of chamoy. Let's hope I don't drop this one. So, 1, 2. So it should look like this. And then you just mix it. I am going to put it in the microwave for like 10 seconds so I can make these little clumps go away. Okay, so most of the clumps went away after I put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. Okay, go ahead and throw in my Skittles. So I only did 1 bag of Skittles. I didn't add another one just because it's just me eating them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in a spoon of the chamoy and the sugar powder. This creates the stickiness, which is gonna make all the other ingredients stick together. So I added the chamoy. And then really the amount that you put on your candy, it all depends on you, on how spicy you like it. Maybe you don't like spicy. So I can't really tell you how much to put. So this is just to my liking. So let's see. I like it spicy. I want them spicy, spicy, spicy. And we're gonna do the baby Lucas. And then we're gonna add some pico de gallo. Who else would eat these just like before tajin? I would literally just like get the pico de gallo and like okay, so sprinkle. And shake it to mix all the ingredients, okay? It looks so bomb. Just look at that. Oh, Jesus. Let's try it. I feel like it needs more chile, dude. Oh my god. Should I? I feel like it needs more. Maybe I should add more tajin. More tajin. I'm fucking crazy. Tell me you don't want some. Tell me you don't want some. Perfect. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the gummy bears now, okay? I'm not that much of a fan of gummy bears, but I put this much of gummy bears. Oh, my baby's calling me. Hi, babe.
Hey, look.
What happened?
What are you doing?
Oh,
You film me or what?
say hi, babe. You're on my video.
What's up, guys? Alright, babe.
Hi, Mom.
Que saluden el video.
¿Qué quieres? ¿Chile? ¿Está rico? ¿Más? Más. Ok, más. Go. Oh. Yeah. Go. Ooh. Now, these are spicy. I like the Skittles better. You can also do these with like Gushers, Fruit Loop. No, what is it called? Yeah, like the Fruit Loop. No, Fruit Loop? Is it called Fruit Loop? I'm saying Fruit Loop and I'm in my mind the cereal Fruit Loop. But I mean like the candy, the Fruit Loop. Here's the finish. They're so bomb, you guys. I am now just gonna switch them over to a different container. Here they are. I could literally eat these all day. Okay guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you do recreate it, make sure to tag me on my Instagram. You guys, I swear, you guys have to try it. It's really good. Like, it's so easy to make. It doesn't take that much to make. And they are bomb. They are bomb. You know what? I just noticed I keep looking over there. Okay, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, okay?
nuestra relación no